In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks in Asana. We'll walk through two reliable methods, starting from your home view so you can bring a task back fast, whether you know which project it was in or not. First, the quick method from a project. From home, open the project where the task lived. Click any task to open its details pane on the right. In the task header, open the three-dot options menu. Choose Delete Task. If you did this by mistake or you're demonstrating recovery, look for the undelete or undo prompt that appears immediately. Click Undelete, and the task is restored with its details. This is the fastest option right after a deletion because Asana shows that prompt for a short time. If you don't see it or you're not sure which task was deleted, use the second method. Now let's use search to find deleted items anywhere. Click the search bar at the top and open the full search window. Choose Advanced to reveal filters. Under the type filter, select Task, then expand it, and make sure subtasks, milestones, and approvals are checked so nothing is missed. Next, open the status filter and switch it to deleted. This tells Asana to only return items that are in the trash. Run the search. If you remember part of the task name or assignee, include that in the query to narrow the list. Results respect your current workspace and permissions. You'll get a list of deleted tasks that match your filters. Open the deleted task you want to bring back. In the task pane, click Undelete. The task will reappear in its original project with its fields, comments, and attachments as they were at deletion time, subject to your organization's retention policies and permissions. To confirm, jump back into the project view and you should see the task restored. A few helpful tips as you do this. You need edit access in the project to delete or restore tasks. If you just deleted something, act quickly and use the undelete prompt. It's the least effort. When using advanced search, keeping subtasks, milestones, and approvals checked prevents you from missing work that isn't a standard task. And after restoring from search, returning to the project is a simple way to verify the task is back in context. That's it. Two straightforward ways to recover a deleted task in Asana, either instantly from the project with the undelete prompt or confidently across your workspace with advanced search, so you can keep projects moving without losing work.